You know you talk too much. Can you just for one day stay for like 1 minute or 10 minutes without talking?
I don't understand.
Okay. I want us to bet today. If you can stay for 1 minute and not talk, I'll give you 5,000.
Really?
But yes, but if you did not talk, if you talk within 1 minute, you will give me 5,000. Are you ready?
Okay.
Yeah. Go and bring your 5,000. Let me bring my own.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll drop your own.
I drop.
1 minute. Oh. Okay. So I'll count. There are 60 seconds in a minute. So I'll count to 60. If you don't talk for 1 minute, you'll win the money. But if you talk, I win the money. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somebody want to win money. 7, 8, 9, 10. So with all this money matter now, you don't want to. 11, 12. Somebody really need this money. 13, 14, 15, 16. You don't want to talk now. 17, 18, 19. Let's say in case you win the money now, how will you want it? Cash or transfer?
Cash.
You have talked.
No.